Midge are arguably some of the best flies to fish on our tailwater. I bet I've caught 70% of my fish on a midge. The adult colors in our area are black, tan, and olive. And if you're going to fish an adult midge, then you'll want to probably start out with black and then go to tan. Now, the bloodworm is the larva stage of a midge. I generally fish a ruby red color of that, which is what I've seen to work the best. And I fish those in size 18. Think small when you think midge, especially when you're fishing on Norfolk. Hey, they're biting. Y'all get out here. Whoa, shit, that's another nice fish. Golly, here, can you help me with this one too? This is bigger than that last one. Wow, this is a real fish. Here, oh, this is 6, I'm on 6X, so I can't hoss him. Wow. All right, here we go. I'm swinging him in now. God.